Interrupted with the Inject64 Library DLL blocking Localized process orchestration 64-bit workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Inject64 library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Inject64 library, a specialized 64-bit library frequently used by game mod loaders, trainers, and specialized security auditing tools. It manages the localized code injection into the memory space of target 64-bit processors. Because it performs hijacking operations, it is almost always deleted by Windows security. Its absence prevents mods, overlays, and performance counters from activating. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Errors related to Inject64 Library DLL often mean the internal localized process orchestration 64-bit configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Inject64 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Inject64 Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Inject64 library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.